friends, I wish you all a very happy and safe Diwali. Today's video is about 3 easy Diwali recipes which you can do it in 1 hour. First one is Badam Ladoo or called as Almond Ladoo, which is a easy sweet recipe which you can do it in 15 minutes. Next is Shakkarpara or Bombay lakdi, which is also a sweet recipe. And the next one is Falafel, which is a Lebanese recipe or called as Chikpeas vada. All these recipes are nutritiously rich and I have replaced the recipe with healthy options. Let's get started. First, we will see the Badam Ladoo preparation. Heat a pan and add a small cup of almonds and dry roast it without adding oil. And keep it aside, then fry small cup of shredded coconut without oil and transfer it into a bowl. Let it cool for some time. Now add half cup of jaggery to this. Use same cup for measurement. Now grind everything into a fine powder. Meanwhile, in the same pan, add 2 tablespoons of ghee and roast few cashew nuts and raisins in the ghee. To the grinded almond, coconut and jaggery powder, add 1 spoon of cardamom powder, cashews, raisins and ghee. Mix it well like a dough and make small balls and keep it aside. Now Badam Ladoo is ready. It is very easy to make and I got 9 Badam Ladoos for 1 small cup of almonds and coconut. Badams filled with good proteins and it keeps you full for long. So you can try this healthy recipe at home and store it in the fridge for a week. Now next we will make Bombay lakdi. In a bowl, add 50 grams of sugar and add 2 spoons of water and melt the sugar. Here I am using the cane sugar for all the recipes as cane sugar is very good for health. Now add 1 cup of wheat flour, add 1 tablespoon of rava. Adding rava makes the Bombay lakdi more crispy. Add half spoon of salt, 1 spoon of cardamom powder and 2 spoons of ghee to it. Mix everything well and make it as a soft dough and close it for half an hour. After half an hour, make a small ball and roll it into chapati. Now using the knife, cut the dough into small diamond pieces like this. Separate all the small pieces and keep it aside. In a small pan, add few spoons of oil and drop these dough pieces one by one. You need to be little patient while making this recipe as you must drop one by one and fry it in the oil. Keep the flame in low and cook the Bombay lakdi as it will turn dark quickly. You can also bake it in the preheated 180-degree oven for 15 minutes. Now crispy and tasty Bombay lakdi is ready. Store it in airtight container for many days. You can try this recipe as a snack as well. Next, our recipe is falafel. In Lebanese, they eat this as their breakfast. In a food processor, add a cup of soaked chickpeas. Do not cook the chickpeas, just soak it for 5 hours. Now add 2 small sized onions, 3 to 4 garlics, 2 green chilli and few bunch of coriander leaves and 1 spoon of ginger paste. And 1 spoon of pepper, turmeric powder, salt, coriander powder, chili powder and cumin powder and 3 spoons of gram flour. Close the lid and grind it. You can grind it in mixer jar as well. Check the consistency of the mixture by making small ball. If the mixture is very moist, add 3 spoons of gram flour and grind it again. Now transfer it into a bowl. Grind it in this consistency to make small vada. You can bake this and do shallow fry or deep fry. For baking, apply some oil in the tray and place the falafel and brush it with oil. Preheat the oven 180 degrees and keep it for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, we can shallow fry 2 falafel. After 5 minutes, turn the falafel and brush some oil and keep it for 5 more minutes. Now delicious falafel is ready. Falafel or chickpeas vada is very healthy and packed with proteins. Try these 3 recipes at home and share your comments below. Please subscribe if you like these recipes and click on the bell icon to get notified if I post new videos. Take care, bye bye.